All-wheel drive in sports cars. Once just a rally legend, now a performance powerhouse. It all started in the 1980s when Audi's revolutionary Quattro system dominated rally racing, proving AWD wasn't just for off-roaders, it was for speed. Then, the 90s refined AWD tech, with cars like the Skyline GTR and Evo using advanced differentials for razor-sharp handling. Today, AWD isn't just about traction, it's about total control. Lamborghini, Porsche, even Bugatti use high-tech AWD to deliver insane acceleration and cornering grip. AWD in sports cars has gone from necessity to performance magic. The future? Even faster, even smarter.